Hey fellow droners, I want to put together a quick video to supplement the Mavic 2 Enterprise procedural list that I'll be including in an email. This procedure is going to be how to take the standard pack, which is the standard hard case pack that we use. We're going to use this when we're deploying out of a vehicle, or if we have a deployment area that's in close proximity to where we can drive in either with the UTV or the SAR vehicle, and we don't need to carry it very far. But if we're going to do a hasty search and we need to carry the Mavic 2 Enterprise on our packs, then we're going to use a different container. We're going to use this small bag. And of course we're not going to be able to carry everything, but we will be able to carry enough gear to be able to get about an hour of flight time, more or less, and be able to carry this either by ski team, snowshoe team, a hiking team, or a mountain biking team. And I'm going to show you how to pack this. The standard pack, the items in the standard pack are written on a sheet that's behind the foam on the back of the hard case, and we're going to only use certain items out of the case for the hasty pack. The first thing we need, of course, is the hasty pack bag, and we're going to start to pack that up. The hasty bag is divided into little compartments. There's a compartment here that kind of folds down. In that compartment, we're going to put one battery. We just take one battery and just lay it flat into that compartment, and then we close the flap. Now we've got two compartments here, and what we're going to use that for is the smaller compartment is going to be used to stow a battery for the Crystal Sky monitor, and the larger compartment is going to be used to put the remote controller in with the Crystal Sky monitor adapter attached. And it'll kind of go in there diagonally, and don't worry about it sticking out a little bit. We've got a little bit of leeway in the top to be able to make up for that. The tightest fit is going to be the drone itself, and so what we're going to do to make that drone fit a little bit easier is we're going to put the drone partially inside of this little Polar Pro bag that's part of the main pack. So let me just show you that right quick. We're going to pull the drone out. We've got fully charged battery ready to go in there, and we've got the gimbal protection on it. So we're going to put the bag over the end with the gimbal protector on it, with the gimbal. Just kind of fold the props up. And this bag is just going to help it slide in there. So we're just going to slide it head first down into the bag, and there it is. It's done. So what we need in addition to that possibly are obviously more batteries. So we can carry the batteries on the little pouch on the outside here. You can actually get two on each side. But I would recommend, if it's winter, that you carry the batteries in your pocket, because if they're not self-heating batteries, they're going to get too cold, and you'll go to take off and the drone won't take off because the batteries are too cold. So if it's winter time, it's cold, and the batteries have a chance of getting below 65 degrees or 60 degrees, then I recommend throwing them in your pocket, either an inside jacket pocket or your pants pocket, so that it keeps them warm. So we'll go ahead and put a battery in here. Let's say I'll put one battery in here, and then I might want to pick one of the accessories if I'm flying in the evening, and I think I might need some lights. I would carry the light accessory. Unfortunately, you can't carry them all unless you put them in your pack. And remember, this is all about quick deploy, so I want to try to get everything I can in the quick deploy bag. So I've decided to carry the speaker, and so what I'm going to do is just open the speaker up a little bit and slide it into this pouch on the side. Theoretically. All right, there it is. Okay, so the only other thing that we have to pack in here is the monitor. The Crystal Sky monitor with the sun shield. The battery is not on it. We've put the battery inside the main bag. And there's a little zippered pocket on the outside here that's just right for that. I also like to bring along this this touch pen. It makes it a lot easier to select, especially when your fingers are cold or if you've got gloves on. So that just fits right down into the side pouch there. You may not be able to zip it all the way closed, but if you get it, two sides and a partial on the third side, that's more than enough. So actually, I don't even zip the top closed because it's got a Velcro enclosure right there. So the critical thing is, just to get it closed, it's ready to go. There's your Hasty pack, and what I'm going to do now is attach it to my backpack. I'm going to use these oval gate non-locking carabiners, and what I'd like it to end up is with the gate opening down like that. So I've got these rings right here, so like that, one on each side. There you go. And then you just clip that into the little rings on the side of this Hasty bag, and now you're ready to go. So when you go to deploy, all you have to do is open the Velcro pocket, pull out your components, attach them together, and you're off. So you can deploy in probably about a minute without having to take your pack off. And that's it. Hopefully that short video will help you to be able to pack this quick deployment bag and do your Hasty search.